Today, we are going to make an easy tessellation. A tessellation is a shape that fits perfectly with itself. A tessellation is created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gaps or overlaps. Another word for a tessellation is a tiling. First, watch how I make a tessellating tile tracer. Now, let's break those steps down a little bit. On a perfectly square card, write the word part, P-A-R-T, putting one letter in each corner. Draw an interesting line across your card horizontally, then down your card vertically. Now, when I say interesting line, waves, bumps, and zigzags are fine. But keep in mind, you will have to not only very carefully cut out this line, but you will also have to trace it almost 1,012 times as well. A zigzag like this is not going to work, and it won't be an interesting tile either. These lines make an interesting design, but thinking ahead, can I cut and trace loop-de-loops? Back to the original. I very carefully cut on my lines. Ugh, I knew I wouldn't be able to cut those zigzags. I don't even know where to start on this one. Oops, pieces are falling off. That's not good. Seriously, time to try again. Here, I've drawn some interesting lines that also make a neat design. I have to be careful because they get close in some spots, and I know they will make my tracer very delicate. Don't be afraid to get a little crazy if you are up for a challenge. Now that you have your P-A-R-T pieces cut, rearrange them so that the letters are now in the center and they spell trap, T-R-A-P. Tape your stencil together. Keep the corners matching and at 90 degrees. This is very important. Once you are confident they are even, tape all the seams on both sides. Keep the word trap facing up. Hold your tracer steady and trace on your paper very carefully. If it moves, even just a little, your tiling effect will start to get wonky. When you have traced all four sides once, you will easily be able to move the tracer above, below, or side to side from the original and continue tracing. The more you go, the less sides you'll have to trace each time. Good job!